Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss concentration cells. In galvanic cells, electrical energy arises from chemical reactions. It is a downhill process. In concentration cells, EMF rises not due to any chemical reaction but due to transfer of matter from one half cell to the other half cell, because of the difference in concentration of the species involved. Concentration cells are of two types: electrode concentration cell and electrolyte concentration cell. We will discuss electrode concentration cell. In electrode concentration cells, two like electrodes at different concentrations are dipped in the same solution. Example is platinum hydrogen at pressure P1 in contact with solution of H ions, which is in contact with hydrogen at pressure P2 in contact with platinum. That is, two hydrogen electrodes at unequal gas pressures immersed in the same solution of H ions constitute an electrode concentration cell. At right hand electrode, reduction takes place, and on the left hand electrode, oxidation takes place, and overall reaction is hydrogen at pressure P1 is in equilibrium with hydrogen at pressure P2. Reaction is independent of concentration of electrolyte. At moderate pressures, hydrogen is considered as an ideal gas, so ratio of activities is equal to ratio of gas pressures. If we apply Nernst equation, we get potential is equal to 0.02955 log of P1 by P2. When P2 is less than P1, EMF is positive and the process is spontaneous, equivalent to expansion of hydrogen gas. Another example of electrode concentration cells: amalgam with two different concentrations of the same metal. Mercury lead concentration C1 in contact with lead sulfate solution in contact with mercury lead at concentration C2. Right hand electrode, reduction take place, lead ions to lead at concentration C2. Left hand electrode, oxidation take place, lead from concentration C1 give rise to lead 2 plus. Overall reaction is lead at concentration C1 is in equilibrium with lead at concentration C2. EMF of the cell is given by E right minus E left. If we put the values, EMF comes out to be 0.02955 log of C1 by C2. If C2 is less than C1, EMF is positive and the process is spontaneous. That is, lead will go spontaneously from high to low concentration amalgam. Electrode concentration cell examples we have discussed: two hydrogen electrodes in the same solution of H ions at different hydrogen pressures, and mercury lead amalgam at two different concentrations in contact with lead sulfate solution. Now we will discuss electrolyte concentration cell. Two electrodes of the same metal are dipped in the solutions of metal ions of different concentrations and hence of different activities. For example, zinc in contact with zinc ions at activity A1 separated by the salt bridge, zinc ions at activity 2 in contact with zinc. Both electrodes of zinc metal are in contact with solution of zinc ions, but concentration of the ions are different. Activities of zinc ions of two electrolytes are A plus 1 and A plus 2. Two electrolytes, that is zinc sulfate solutions, are separated from each other by a salt bridge. At right hand electrode, reduction takes place, and on left hand electrode, oxidation takes place, and overall reaction is given by this relation. Hence, net process is transfer of 1 mole of zinc ions from a solution of activity 2 to activity 1. EMF is positive for activity 2 to be greater than activity 1. Electrolyte concentration cell, nickel in contact with nickel ions of different activities and separated by a salt bridge. This solution is dilute, whereas this solution is concentrated. Current will flow. The system will undergo discharge until the concentration in both the beakers for nickel 2 ions is 0.5 molar and current will stop. Another example is two hydrogen electrodes at different H-ion activity are separated from one another by a salt bridge. Here H-ions are dilute, whereas in this container H-ion concentration is high. On right hand electrode, reduction takes place, and on left hand electrode, oxidation takes place. And overall, H-ions at activity A2 are in equilibrium with H-ions at activity A1. EMF is positive for H-ion activity 2 is higher than H-ion activity 1. Electrolyte concentration cells. We have discussed these examples of electrolyte concentration cells. In this session, we have discussed concentration cells, electrode concentration cells, electrolyte concentration cells, along with examples. Thanks for watching this video.